Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new user to Builders Excellence. Please make sure you have increased your subscription licenses to permit additional users before completing this step. Reach out to the BE support team for assistance. Once you have available licenses to use, follow these steps. 1. Go to one.zoho.com to see the same Zoho navigation as this video. Sign in using your Zoho account. 2. Hover over the left navigation and select Directory. 3. Select Users. 4. Click on Add User and complete the mandatory fields. First name, last name, display name, and email address. A temporary password is generated, but the user will be forced to create a new password after signing in. We recommend you complete the locality information like language, country, and time zone. Please note that Builders Excellence widgets are using English language. The time zone is important, so take a moment to make sure these details are correct. Once the user is created, you can assign applications. Click on Applications and click the plus button. As you select an application, you will be prompted to complete some fields that support access and permissions. Please refer to the relevant applications to learn more about these, but remember they can change after access is given. There are lots of applications to choose from. Just tick on the application from the list and then assign roles to users. Here are some examples of which applications to add based on department. For everyone, CRM, Sales Inbox, Click, Work Drive, Analytics, Projects, Desk, Meeting, Sign, Sheet, Writer, Form Marketing, Forms, Campaigns, Sales IQ, Survey, Social, Page Sense, Finance and Accounts, Books. Watch the Adding Applications video for more information on how to add applications. Now your team member has been given access to Zoho. They will receive an email inviting them to accept the invitation and log into their account. Click Confirm now, then sign up and accept. Please note that email addresses can only be associated with a single Zoho account. If your team member has used their email to access Zoho previously, such as a trial account, they may have trouble logging in. Contact Builders Excellence if you need assistance removing email addresses from other Zoho accounts.